Hey guys, thanks for checking out another episode of Ryan Knows Crypto. We got big news today. Goldman Sachs buys Poloniex. How do you make money off this? Well, I'm going to show you in just a minute. Now, coming to you guys today from the beach. So let's jump right into this question. Breaking news. Mobile payments app Circle acquires crypto exchange Poloniex for $400 million. Now, if you guys aren't aware, Circle is an old app that people used to buy bitcoins with back in 2014. This is back when bitcoins were rip-roaring and they were in the $300 to $600 range. You could use Circle to buy, and it was the easiest way basically to buy bitcoins if you're just getting started off. If you bought a bunch of bitcoins back when it was $300 to $600, congratulations to you. You did good. So Circle did announce that they were going to provide a Bitcoin trading platform sometime in June, and Goldman Sachs also announced that they are setting up their trading desk for crypto by June as well. So basically this was all planned out. They announced this quite a while ago, and they may have just been haggling on the price with Poloniex. Now Poloniex sold for what experts say, or what's been estimated, $400 million. $400 million is an incredible deal. Goldman probably makes that in about 2 weeks. Circle makes about $150 million to $200 million a month. So being able to buy Poloniex for $400 million is a deal for everyone involved. Now, just to be clear, Circle bought it, but Circle is primarily owned by Goldman Sachs. Circle being an app, I'll show you their little page here where you can send money with text, where you can buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Basically, there's 4 or 5 apps that are like this, where you can basically send money through the phone if both people have it. Now, Circle's made up of 3 parts. There's Circle Pay. This is for fiat transfers, like I want to send you $20 for the movie you just took me to. There's Circle Trade, and that's a liquidity provider for cryptocurrencies. Circle Trade is just for buying crypto. And then there's an upcoming Circle Invest. Circle Invest is an app that will allow retail customers to invest in crypto markets. So kind of think Robinhood, little app with 0 fees, kind of a limited selection of coins to start with. Now, this is coming out, but as it's coming out, you can go ahead and figure that they're basically trying to take on Coinbase app. So you can think that when it first becomes available, they'll have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, and maybe like 1 or 2 thrown into that. So what else does this happen? Or what else can this do? Well, first of all, Goldman Sachs has pretty far reach around the world, but this will give them a greater reach into Europe. Circle might be more widely used in Europe and Great Britain because they have Great British Pound support, Euro support, francs, quid, all that good stuff is all supported in Circle. This can help Goldman Sachs get in there more. And it's basically good news. We want Goldman Sachs now first of all, hasn't Goldman Sachs bashed cryptocurrency and Bitcoin before? Yes, they have. But there's one thing that Goldman Sachs is very good at, and that's making money. So of course, when all these Goldman Sachs big investors say, I want to go buy some Bitcoin, Goldman can't just tell them to, forget about it any longer. Now they have to give them an option to buy it, and this helps them. It helps people easily move Goldman money into Circle so they can buy crypto, but their money is still controlled by Goldman on the backside. Alright, so that's good news for that. So what does this mean for the crypto world? Well, we want these people in because they got lots of money. We want more investors in Bitcoin. So if you could roll over some Goldman Sachs millionaires and billionaires and roll them up into some Bitcoin and pump up the market more, that's good for us. Also, what could possibly happen is, say US dollar tether, USDT is a big issue right now. Excuse me. USDT is a big issue because no one's sure that USDT is backed up dollar for dollar. But if Goldman Sachs got into it, and Goldman Sachs literally has billions, and they issued their own tether, then this could possibly replace the current USD tether that everyone's so scared about, is not really backed, hasn't been audited. Goldman says we're putting out our own tether and it's on Poloniex, and it is backed by good faith of Goldman Sachs. Not that that means anything. Remember what happened in 2008? Goldman Sachs got away with murder. But it would mean a lot more than the USDT that is very fragile, and I'm frankly scared to put my money in and out of it. But I still do. Alright, last story. Oh, real quick, let me tell you, Putin says he's trying to get back in the blockchain game. We already know Putin loves blockchain. Putin loves Bitcoin. Putin is friends with Vitalik Buterin. They met up on a couple different occasions. And Vitalik must have told him, you have to get into the blockchain game. It's crucial for our future. Putin go ahead and talked about it without saying the name blockchain, but he basically talked about the technology. Says we have everything: oil, gas, coal, metals of all kind, gold, platinum, diamonds, and everything. You know, but one thing he doesn't have is blockchain yet. And Russia has a good intellectual base. It has cheap power. You know, Russia could be a big player, but they have to get in front of it. And in order to get in front of it, they need to not get in the way with laws, to just let their people do it. So how am I going to take advantage of the sale between Circle, Buy, and Poloniex? Well, Circle has been in talks with AirSwap, AST, and AST is a cheap little coin. It hit a high of about $1.53. Let's look at it, a 1 year graph. Okay, it's been around since October. Opened about 25 cents, went all the way to nearly $2, and now it's back down to 54 cents, 47 cents. AirSwap helps facilitate transfers. AirSwap could be the technology behind Poloniex moving money between exchanges. Since AirSwap has been in talks with Goldman and Poloniex, AirSwap could play a key role. So I recommend, if you want to take a gamble, go ahead and buy some AirSwap, and this news could blow up, and this little 47 cent stock or 47 cent coin could jump up to $1.50, $2 if they are going to be used by Goldman, if they're going to be used by Circle. So that's what I would recommend. I'm going to do it myself. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for checking out the website. Please like and subscribe. My question to you is, what do you think of this merger? Do you think it's going to be good, bad? Do you think getting Goldman involved in this game is going to be good or bad? Let me know. Please hit like, subscribe. Please comment below. I will answer. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good night.